Hey everyone, this is Ian. Welcome to this video. Today I would like to show you how I draw a clothed frog on Medibank Paint. Hope you like it. The first thing we need to do is to open a new file or canvas at Medibank Paint, which is a software. I will leave the link in the description below. Then we will start the document with the measures of 4000 by 4000, and then we start drawing the 1/2 of the frog. We start by drawing the head, then a phalanx of the fingers of the frog leg, and then on one of the back legs and the belly. Then we copy and paste, so we do not need to draw the other part, and it's equal in measures. Then we draw the eyes and paint them with a red color. Then we add some spots on the back of the frog. Then I will add some texture, in this case some green texture for the color of the frog's skin. And then we're finished. Hope you guys like this tutorial of Medibank Paint, which is a software I use to draw and design. If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy and hope to see you again.